Hello guys, this is part 2 of the Trailfinder 2 unboxing video. I got cut off there, my phone ran out of space, so I had to clear some space up and so I can make this video. Alright, here we go. Left off at the chassis parts here. All kinds of parts, look at that. Looks like the gearbox sits on that maybe. Very nice. Here's the wheels. With the tires, pretty nice and soft compound. See if we can get a better focus. There we go. Scale off-road mud thrashers. Oh, nice. I like the little detail on the tire sizing that they have there. Pretty realistic. 37-inch by 13.5 by R15, 15-inch wheels. In this case, it'd be 1.55s. They look nice. They're done. Let's get one out. Let's see if we can sit it on there for. Yeah, kind of get the idea. And then we get the four wheels. Oh yeah, there's sponges in there. They already got the sponges in. We got another bag of parts. Looks like mostly links. There's some shocks there. Probably going to take all this stuff out later and show you guys the detailed parts if I can. Back side of the shocks there. We got the bumpers and the rear bumper, or rock guard. It's like a tube style bumper. Drive shafts. The radio box. It's pretty cool. Looks kind of like a gas tank. And yeah, two bumpers. We got the rock sliders as well. Body posts. And in here, looks like it's all screws and stuff. Alright, that's that. There's the transmission gearbox again. Look at that. I love that thing. Transmission, pretty pimpin'. You get the steel axles. Alright, now we got the body set. Just gonna pop this open right in here. That'll be easiest. This one you have to paint yourself. This is all the I guess the light covers, headlights, taillights. Oh, I see a steering wheel. That's pretty cool. And what else? A few screws. More stuff. Can't really tell where everything goes yet. With the body here. Nice and thick plastic. Doesn't feel that cheap at all. Some bit of flex to it. I don't think that'll crack too easy. Got the front grille. Oh, upside down. There we go. Looks nice. And we got the interior dash. That's where the steering wheel goes. Pretty nice, eh? Get that all painted up later. And we got the box. The bed. Doesn't say Toyota on it, but it will when I'm done. Very nice. Pretty heavy box, must say. Thick. Show you the underbelly. Nice, nice. So that's pretty much it. Comes in a box. Everything got to be assembled. I'll probably going to make another video on that when I start assembly. And yeah, that'll be it for now. Thanks for watching. Trailfinder 2 unboxing video. There she is. Looking nice. See you guys. See you, puss puss. Wake up. Nice. taking a nap. Lazy bugger.